Using a CCTV at its metro base in Makati City, the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA personnel strictly monitored the passage of private vehicles with 2 or more passengers along the 5th lane of EDSA. Aside from CCTVs, traffic enforcers assigned on overpasses have 3 handycams for clearer video footage of the vehicles. From 6 in the morning to 4:30 in the afternoon today, the MMDA monitored about 1,359 motorists not following the carpool lane policy. The agency admits not being able to determine the number of passengers on board more than 3,700 heavily-tinted private vehicles. The MMDA admits it is one of the challenges they are facing in implementing the carpool lane.
Yung usapin ng mga cameras namin, baka magkaroon ng konting adjustment. So, yung mga positioning, may mga cameras kasi na pag against the light, hindi mo nakikita yung sa likod. Kami ho, i-maximize lang ho talaga namin yung resources namin.
The Land Transportation Office or LTO is the agency in charge of regulating car tints. The LTO previously said it will study anew its regulation in terms of car tints and will release new guidelines regarding the matter. For now, the MMDA will not apprehend motorists violating the carpool lane policy. Meanwhile, the agency's plan to enforce the said policy along EDSA drew flack among netizens. Some netizens argue the carpool lane policy will not be effective since cameras could not capture passengers on the back seat. Some also say the Philippines cannot adopt the traffic system of other countries since Philippine roads are narrower and smaller. The MMDA meanwhile clarifies that the implementation of the carpool lane along EDSA is still under study.
Bigyan nyo lang ho kami ng 1 week, i-assess lang ho natin kapag hindi naman ho sigurado, hindi naman ho para mag-implement ang MMDA ng alanganin na polisiya.
Should the enforcement of the said policy pushes through, apprehended motorists will face charges of disregarding traffic sign and reckless driving and fines up to 650 pesos. Joanano, UNTV News and Rescue, Makati City.